poor boy, and God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. Oh, mother, tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your life in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun. There is a house in New Orleans